folks. I just thought I would give you an update on how the sculpting is going for this month. And I've been working on the Maleficent doll. All we need to do with her is finish her hands and give her some shoes, and then we'll get her put on a body as well. But her face is turning out really cool, and I really am happy with this black boa I found that's going to be part of her costume. She's going to look pretty awesome. So I'm excited about that. And then we've got our ladies over here. These two witches are from the Witchy Woman workshop that is going on now. You can still be a part of if you would like to. We're also having a witch contest, so if you feel like making a witch and want to send us some photos too, and want to join our contest with a kit, feel free. We'd love to have you. Anyway, her shoes turned out really cool. I got the first witch's shoes laced, which that actually takes a while to do. You gotta glue in each of those little holes and then wait for it to dry. So I've got this one to conquer next, but I need to find a little bit thinner twine for them first before I give that a go. But she's turned out really cool with her fun hands and pretty fingernails. Let's see if we can see them here. There we go. Yeah, they turned out pretty fun. Then we've got our ghost doll in the background. She turned out really fun too. She actually doesn't have any legs. She's up on a post, so she was a quicker doll to sculpt. And then we've got the witch art doll that I made previously, that all the videos on how to make this particular one are also on the Witchy Women video set. So with the Witchy Women workshop, you'll get the full instructions on making this first witch doll and a second witch doll as well, and how to do the Maleficent doll also. And I think right now I even have some of the Barefoot Witch project pictures in there too, so you can learn how to make a large whimsical witch as well. So it's a witch festival. Anyway, we're having a good time with it, and if you need any help with sculpting or instructions, please visit artdolls.com or makingfairies.com, and we can help you with that right away. Here's a last look at our ladies, and hopefully next time I'll have Maleficent standing up by them as well, and some dresses on these gals, because right now they just have their body stockings on that I did some body sculpting, so they'd have breasts and a bottom as well. And then I'll be putting on some cute outfits on top of that. Thanks for watching. Happy sculpting.